Hi everyone, another video of Quarantine Kitchen. Real quick, I'm going to show you how to make a brine for any protein, but I like to use it especially for chicken and pork, good white meats. So the basic brine recipe is 16 to 1, 16 being water, 1 being salt. I'm going to do it a little bit fancier and add some sugar as well as some herbs. So I'm going to start with 1 tablespoon of salt. And I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of sugar. 1 tablespoon is equal to 1/16 of a quart. A quart is also known as 4 cups. Next, I'm going to add 1 cup of water and my rosemary. I'm just using rosemary in this one because it's going to complement how I'm going to cook the chicken later. You can put any type of herbs or spices in your brine. You just want to be careful with them because you don't want it to overpower what you might be putting in your recipe later. From here, I'm just going to move this to the heating element and bring this up to a boil just to dissolve the sugar and salt. Now that we've brought this to a boil, all our salt and sugar dissolved, we can pour this now onto our ice. From here, we're going to fill this up with cold water. I only have a 3-cup measuring cup, so I'm going to pour this into a bowl so that I can add 1 more cup of cold water. Again, this recipe is 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar to 4 cups of water. Pouring the boiling liquid over ice and then adding cold water ensures that we cool the brine quickly. When brining raw meat, we always want to use cold brine so that we don't start to cook our protein. Now I'm going to pour the cold brine over the chicken and refrigerate for about an hour. After an hour, remove the chicken from the brine. This can be done multiple days ahead of time. I always brine chicken to ensure that it stays juicy and seasoned throughout cooking. Hey guys, I just want to let you know that I have recipe videos for all parts of the chicken coming up soon. If you want to follow along with me, feel free to freeze any part of the chicken you don't need. Otherwise, you can use these videos at any time if you have store-bought, pre-cut chicken or want to try breaking down a chicken again.